Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and we're looking at the Elite Dreamboard. For those of you who made a Dreamboard last year, or the Dreamboard's just too easy for you, ready for a challenge, we are learning how to mask the images into shapes to make letters. So the first thing I did was I practiced with just drawing shapes to make the letter I want, which you can see here. So I have an idea of what I want to make, so I'm going to get rid of that. Then I go to my images. Now it's already set up. You'll notice I click Tools and Labeled for Reuse. That's real important that we know we can use the images. So here's the image I'm going to use, and I'm just going to do this quickly. I'm going to right click, copy image, and then I'm going to paste it. Yes, you can save those to your collections if you want to, and there's a video provided on how to do that on the directions. But I'm going to paste it. So here's what I'm working with. Next to the crop, there's this mask image. So I'm going to click this and go to shapes. And now I have to recreate what I already did. And this one actually is coming out fairly decent. Now these yellow dots allow me to play with it just a little bit. So I might be able to make it a little thinner if I wanted to, which I don't like that. I'll back it up just a little. That was too much. So we'll go something like this. And then this also lets me drag it. So I'm going to drag it right about there. And for this time, I'm going to keep that. Now, I can also hold down Control and click on it. Oops. Let me see if I can get this again. It's tough with these trackpads. There it goes. So now I have two of these. I'm going to use the little rotation up here and twist it like so. And now I can bring this down, and I can kind of set my letter like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do, since it's not showing up as well, in the border weight here, I'm going to go to 2, and I'll do the same over here at 2. And now I can just try to line it up a little bit better like so. And if I wanted, I can play more and get it out and over. You get the idea, though. I would play with this a little bit more, but for now I'm going to click. I'm going to hold down Control. And now I have both of them selected. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to group that one. And I'm going to move it. It looks like it made an extra copy. So this is grouped together. I can make this smaller. And now I can right-click it. Whoops. Like so. I'm going to cut it. And now I can go back to my actual creation, and I can paste it. Now I get to move it over. It's still too big, so we can make it a little bit smaller. Still smaller. No, honestly, I'd probably still play with this a little bit more, but you get the idea. That's how you can make a letter. I use an extra slide for practice. Inside, when we are masking these, the crop tool, there are so many different shapes that you can make your different letters. You just play around with it and have fun, because this is actually fun to do, guys. So that's how you do it. You guys are in the Elite Challenge. Good luck.